because once I start bringing value to them somehow, letting them know who I am, that I'm not just like a spam person that just added them at random. They usually are, fair with listening to what I got to say and what I've got to talk about. So I've actually had a lot more conversations in the past week than I've had probably in the past year, honestly, just by listening to some advice and ramping up my just cold calling, reaching out, just trying,
Yeah.
doing more business. I was told by what was it? What's his name? Alex Ponzi, I think is his name. Um, he said if you're making 100 cold calls a week and you're getting 10 sales, and you're getting only 10 sales, then like make 100 cold calls a day. Then you'll probably have more like 100 sales a week. You know what I mean?
Right.
So I took that like wow. I'm looking at my phone like I'm literally telling myself. I was telling myself like if I send out 15, 20 a day, like that's good. It wasn't. It's not good enough. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It wasn't even close to good enough. So I
Mm.
started
Going
ramping out,
crazy.
sending more and more, sending more and more, sending more and
Yeah.
more, and that it's still slow going. I'll admit, like I haven't seen a crazy uptick, but
Mhm.
I did notice an immediate shift in how much I was having conversations
And
throughout the.
that's a big thing. Having the conversation. If you don't even have the conversation, you don't even get close to even closing a deal or closing a lead or even getting a lead in the first place to even have a chance to close. If I can add something though that I think could benefit it too, and I know you're probably doing this and getting better at it, but it's something I think that the viewers should know about as well as they're going on their own journeys and everything like that. Is when you also are trying to generate leads, you want to also make sure you're generating qualified leads, right? Because if you spend your time at the wrong water hole fishing and there's no fish in that water hole, then essentially you just wasted your time. But if you maybe can find a smaller pond that has way more fish in it, but you can dominate that pond, then you get all the fish, right? So one thing you can look into is making sure you having qualified leads. So people that's interested, people that first even have the money to even pay for it to be interested, because if they can't afford it, then it don't matter if they're interested now because we're not giving nothing away for free. You know what I'm saying? So it's like just being honest. Hey, just being honest. It's a lot. It's about what 10 years into this.
Yeah, yeah,
Think, bro.
a decade, and people ask me like people. This gets pondered in the educator space. Is if you're such a good trader, why are you selling a course? Well, it's like I lost like $50,000 learning how to learning how to trade this good. So, I'm willing to give it to you
Yeah,
almost free
for
comparative
free.
to that. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? And it's like you gotta take a step in life, right? Like when you're getting things for free, things are easy. You know what I'm saying?
Mm,
When you
pay
pay
my
for
buddy.
something, when you put your own money into something,
Yeah.
you're gonna take it a little more serious. You know what I'm saying? It's like it's simple as that. It's like there's a
Yep.
reason why all
Yep.
the YouTube traders aren't not all the YouTube traders are still YouTube traders. It's because like they were only watching YouTube videos. They didn't go out and find a mentor. They didn't have somebody give them some real insights, some real guidance. And it's like, don't get me wrong, you can probably win some trades with straight up YouTube videos. I have YouTube videos that you can probably win some trades with, but to get that longevity, that consistency out of this business, it's like just get some guidance. Find a mentor, find a teacher, find
Hmm.
somebody that's willing to give you that space. And I feel like I'm one of the lower cost ones because I'm targeting a
Yeah.
lower demographic. Like I want the brokest people, you know what
Yeah.
I'm saying, to get involved with this because I mean, that's who I was. You know what I'm saying? That's who I came up around, and that's the heart of what makes me want to teach it. You know what I'm saying? It's because like it's such an easy off the cuff skill. I don't have to dedicate a whole bunch of hours a week to it. It's like two, three,
Yeah.
maybe four if I'm really getting into it, hours a week, and I can double my account. You know what I'm saying?
Is
And that's
and the thing about the course is, right? No matter you want to sell the course for $1 million, if you bring in $1 million worth of value, it don't matter. Like the thing is, what people don't understand about the value bringing, right? For the price that they having to pay for, which to me, I'm like, it's I mean, it's really a no brainer, right? You can make back the price of the prepaid